Have an event coming up that you need to get dressed up for, but you don't have the money for a new suit? Try this alternative approach. It's going to save you lots of time, definitely lots of money, and still give you that dapper look. In today's video, I'm sharing with you easy ways to get dressed up in a waistcoat. Check it out. Gentlemen, we've all been there, right? We get invited to an event, something that requires you to get dressed up. I don't own a suit, or worse, I haven't worn my suit in years, and you go and get it out of your closet, dust it off, and you're looking at it, it's either way out of style, or you try it on, all those cheeseburgers gotten the best of you over the years, the buttons are ready to pop, go flying across the room and knock somebody out. Then you start looking at prices of new suits, and your bank account, nothing is matching. What do? You don't want to look like a loser at the event. No, you want to look like a gentleman. My suggestion to you is consider a vest. Or if you want to be extra, call it a waistcoat. A waistcoat's just another fancy name for vest. Now, in my opinion, these vests can be dressed down for a dress casual setting or dressed up for a more semi-formal event. For whatever occasion, make sure you wear it properly. But before we get into that, please make sure you subscribe so you never miss a video. Drop me a thumb either way and let me know how you feel about this video. I'd really appreciate that. Now, about that vest. Few things about the vest that can benefit you. A vest can be bought right off the rack without any adjustment or tailoring required. And most actually come with this adjuster in the back to cinch it up that will give you that nice form-fitting look, making you look fantastic. So you're already looking better than the dude that shows up without even trying to dress up. And you stand out because you're the guy that pulled it off without wearing a suit. Nobody's gonna know anyway whether or not you took your jacket off and left it somewhere or you showed up with the vest. Most people, if not everybody else, are gonna be wearing a suit, but you are gonna be remembered as the guy in the vest. People next day talking about the event, they're gonna be like, remember the guy that did the thing? Yeah, that guy, no, the guy in the vest. Yeah, that guy, I remember him. They can't say the guy in the suit. Everybody else is wearing them. Most vests can be bought at a department store or Men's Warehouse for about $100, $150 maybe. I've even seen them at discount stores like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, real cheap. That's a lot less than the cost of a new suit. The waistcoat usually comes with small pockets in the front, along with several buttons. They can come in a few different colors like black or like this blue or even gray. Personally, I would start off with a gray just because you can wear black, you can wear blue, you can even wear brown, and it looks amazing. I wouldn't recommend starting off with black just because you could give off that waiter or bartender vibe, and then you don't want that. You want to stand out. You don't want to blend in with the wait staff. But we'll talk about that a bit more later on. I'm going to make sure if you follow these few tips that you don't blend in like that. For the dress casual look, you can put this with jeans easily. Not the distressed looking jeans or the pair that you wear when you're working on your car. Swap out the jeans with some chinos, and now you can really work that color palette. Make sure your footwear works with the outfit as well. As far as the shirts go, any dress shirt underneath is gonna work. Just make sure your colors work together. Look at these as an example. Here is just a traditional blue shirt working with the blue vest, but the gray vest does just as well. In fact, I think the gray looks even better. Maybe something different. Let's look at some other colors. Check this out. This is a mint colored shirt paired up with the blue vest. I was a little hesitant to wear this, but I got a ton of compliments on how these colors work together. This also will work with the gray. Check this out. Gray here works just as good. Keeping it safe, you can tell they go well together. How about a pink shirt? All right, here we go with the pink, and you can see how the gray looks alongside the pink, looks really well together. I wonder how the blue's gonna look. Let's try that. Here we go, the pink and the blue. Man, that looks sharp. Personally, I think I like the gray better with the pink. But again, any of these dress shirts are gonna work. How about an off-white or a cream-colored shirt? Oh, wait a minute, I'm wearing one. Okay, so here I am with the off-white shirt, very relaxed. Obviously it's unbuttoned, my sleeves are rolled up, got the blue vest. What's the gray look like? Here we go, the gray looks pretty good too. The off-white, gray, relaxed collar. Does this replace a suit? Absolutely not, but in a pinch, you can still dress up for your event, pass with flying colors, really look dapper, and stand out. Now, if you really wanted to take it a step further, let's put on a tie. And here we go with the tie. Now, I think I probably, if I wanted to be a little more formal, I would unroll my sleeves, but you get the idea with the tie. The collar lines up, the vest is looking sharp. It's that easy. Gentlemen, going this route is going to save you time, it's going to save you money, and you're still going to look great. Whether you have an event like a wedding or you just want to dress up a bit, take your lady out to a fancy dinner, consider the waistcoat, but also make sure you wear it properly. These next few steps are going to make sure you don't blend into that wait staff, so you don't come across looking like the bartender or the waiter and somebody's trying to get you to take their order. First and foremost, leave the bottom button unbuttoned. On every vest, the bottom button must remain unbuttoned. And number two, I'm always going to recommend this with every outfit you wear. Please be sure to accessorize. Throw on a bracelet or something on your wrist, a ring. Make sure you are wearing the right cologne for the occasion. This is an accessory. If you really want to stand out wearing a vest, get yourself a pocket watch. It doesn't have to be an expensive one. Get a cheap one because you're only going to use it as an accessory whenever you wear your vest. A pocket watch with a vest gives you that chain that goes from one of those little pockets where you put the watch down in to wherever you secure it. I usually just use one of the buttonholes, lock the pocket watch in place so I don't drop it or lose it. I got the chain that goes across. Now that is dapper. I'm the Capable Gentleman, showing you ways to go from dirty to dapper and to encourage you to never stop learning. Till next time, be kind, everyone. See you next week.